Good morning, good morning, good morning. How are you doing, everybody? Hope you are doing well. Another day. Another day of struggle. Let's see how we can read the price action, okay? So, yeah, yesterday, if you guys watch my recording, you already know that, I was practically talking about, I was looking for a retracement. Yesterday, whoever watched my recording, you already know that, when the market opened, I was talking about like they should come back to at least new day opening gap. And I had a trade and it actually worked out. If you checked it, my trade was from this area. I think I took a trade and then our target was this low. And then I was saying that, I wanted them to like come down to this area, remember? And they actually came down there. This one was the trade yesterday. And then today they opened up there. They still following it. So there are some lines here. I just marked it. You guys already, if you know, followed me for a while, you already know how much I love my lines. They're nice, So these are the area, let's say. I'm not bearish, but today is like yesterday I understood that there could be some kind of a sign of going down. But today, if you ask me, anything can happen today. So this kind of days, like tomorrow is non-farm payroll. So non-farm payroll week, the day before non-farm payroll, it's like already ICT said it will be like very difficult price action a little bit later. So fast, as soon as market open, maybe we will get some trade. If we get it, we take it quickly and just run away. That's the only way we can deal with today. So rather than that, I don't have nothing to actually analyze. So if you ask me, what is the situation? So the market open here, they just traded there and then they're coming back a little bit, retracing back. So this is the last 15 minutes gap. So this already 50% is traded. If you see it there. So now the question is that, is this the last place they're gonna return back or they're gonna dig down a little bit more? So yeah, 8:30 open was there. There is no significant news today. Only a few, what was that? There are some news, little bit. Let me just check it. What was the news? Sorry for that, because I didn't notice actually. Yeah, today was like, what is it? Layoffs. So layoffs are less than what they were expecting. Okay, so 33.49. Yeah, challengers, US challengers layoffs. Okay, job card, this one. Okay, perfect. So initial jobless claim is lower than they expected, so it's good. US unit labor cost is lower, which is good. Productivity high, very nice. Like everything is good anyway. I don't care about this news. I just watch it because I love to watch them. Anyways, the question is now, so is there any other news? I don't see anything. There is a Fed speaking, and other than that, there is nothing there. Wholesale, sales, nobody, I don't know if somebody cares. But only one thing I'm thinking, like, they might go down for a while. That's what I'm thinking. So I have some lines marked down there. This is the gap I'm watching. This is a daily gap. If we check the daily, so practically they went there. They taken out this high, and they couldn't take out this high. They made a double bottom. Just remember yesterday when we were trading. So why they didn't take out all the way up there? They don't need to, because how can look at the move from this area to just that area, just parabolic move, So this kind of area they kind of manipulate. So that's what they did. So look, they made a double top and then they just coming down, retracing back to where? So what did I marked out? just there. Look, there is a gap, inversion gap. So this gap is very important, because look at this one. This one taken out this low, they went up there and then they came down and they crossed it. So this was the significant high was taken, and then now they're coming back. To me, like, this is the area they can, if they want to go up, maybe they can bounce back from the 50% of this gap, or they can even come down. They can trade these. I mean, they can do anything. And they can even come down to this gap as well. So anything can happen, but we have to mark out the recent one, because this one is like a kind of a breaker block for the daily, isn't it? I mean, I'm not a expert or anything, but I'm saying this is kind of like low, then lower low, and a higher low. Sorry, higher high. So they're coming down. So this area could be the support area if they want to go up. Otherwise, they can crash down as well. I mean, anything can happen. Because if you saw higher time frame of that one, this is the weekly. So this is the weekly candle they're trying to. If they, let's say, didn't go up anymore, they came down, they can do that. I mean, we don't know what can happen, because ES already all-time high. Let's say this one fall now, ES fall now. It could be a SMT. Then we'll say, oh, this is an SMT. But I mean, technically speaking, like, this one became now bullish. But until they proving us, I'm not. I just trade daily basis. I don't care about these things. But up to now, what I'm expecting, a little bit of retracement down here maybe. So this is the 50% of this gap what I was mentioning. Okay, so daily gap. So this shaded area. So this is the 50%, and this is 4 hours. Some kind of area. I just marked it. I don't know what the hell was that. Oh, this is this gap, when they crossed it. It's kind of inversion gap high, let's say. Let's see how they, because this one they didn't respect it. So this area, we can check it. I mean, if they come here and then give us a reversal sign in the lower time frame, then we'll see in that if it is based on the time. And this gap, what the hell was that? I don't even know. I have to check it. Just a second. Yeah, this is the daily volume balance. Okay, so I think this is a Wednesday and Thursday. Yeah, this is the volume balance when they were going down. This is a gap as well. So, I mean, we're just observing everything. Okay, so then what else is there? Let me see. And this is the significant 15 minutes inversion gap. They gone through, came back, got supported, and then just this run started. So this gap as well, I just marked it in case it did. But even this untraded gap as well, I'm gonna observe it. Let's see if they come here. I'm not sure if they're gonna come here. They might come here. Okay, so that's what I'm saying. They might come here. Even they can go deep down there somewhere. This area as well. Like, we don't know. So now today, my expectation is, I mean, if they go up, I'll see. But initial expectation is to retrace a little bit more. We got 8 minutes left. Let's see what else we can see. Because I'm just recording just to keep it as a record, like for myself. I like to record it. I have to do live stream, but later on I'll do that. Not now. Not now. Okay, let me put my timer over there. So, yeah. So I'm gonna trade. I always trade from, short term, in 1 minute time frame. Try to think what happened previously. So all this failure swing, can you see? Nothing, just coming down from there. Bong, bong, bum, 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 bum. So when they will invert, maybe they will take out all these things. So what else I can see? Let me see. So 1 hour, there is a gap there. This is the last kind of gap, like the breakaway gap when they came down and boom, gone. So this one can be an area to watch as well. And then if they cross this one, this area is important. So we'll see. There is nothing, no gaps here, okay? So because these are the all failure swing, 1 hour gap, there is nothing. 4 hours, what they did. So now the question is, this candle, if they can close like that, so the next candle, will they create a gap or they will come and immediately go up? And this is not been traded. So technically speaking, they came to new week, then they created a order block, then they retraced back. So they traded this one, but they couldn't trade it there. So they created a gap here and they've gone down and they created another gap there with this candle yesterday when they open up this area. So this high, where is this high even? Somewhere, maybe this area. Okay. Alrighty. This high maybe, yeah. So this high they created, look, they didn't even trade this gap. So yeah, because this is a suspension block. So they traded this one and then they fell, okay, from there. So even this gap as well not been traded. So then what they did, they closed down under the new day opening gap. Sorry for that. Yeah, here they closed down back again around 8 o'clock. So 8 o'clock crashed down, gone high, taken out these highs, left those on, broke down, and then where is the midnight open? Midnight open was there on the inside the new day opening gap. Okay, then they little bit try to manipulate here and then they fell down and then they now fallen. 830 prices here, they just crashed down, going down. So yeah, further I would say I'll expect them to go a little bit down. So yeah, so that's the only things I can think of. I don't see any other things. So here was the opportunity to trade. I actually little bit traded here. So like just a quick scalp. So this one, they just came and then taken out this, I don't know what was that, maybe 7 o'clock pre-market high, and then they're breaking down, then this gap I traded. So anyways, let's see. That was from the mobile phone. Okay, so 15 minutes, what else I can do? I can see all this failure swing. What was the reason of that trade? You can say, oh, why did you trade like that? Because it's coming out and look at this gap. So when they came here, look, they specifically, there was like a area, there was a line there. Remember the line? What is this line? This line is the support zone. There is a support there. Can you see? A breaker block high, basically. Look, this high. So this high, they came, they traded, and then they gone up. They taken out this one. Over there, there was a 15 minutes gap. This gap. So I was checking this 15 minutes gap. So this is the 15 minutes gap. So they traded there and they're breaking down. And then they created gap. They inverted this gap. What do you want to see? This one to take out, because initially I thought that this is just a bounce. I mean, even though they created a order block, I don't believe that until they crossing these highs or something, because there is no swing high here. So they crashed down here. You see, then they return back there. This was the entry. So it was good that to take out this low. Now nothing to do. We got 2 minutes left. We're gonna see how they react. It's just tape reading, and then if we find trade, just to trade. I mean, nothing else. It's just, I mean, we're having fun. That's it. We already marked out our important levels. Whoa, this mosquito or flies, I don't know what the hell is that. Just a short-term trade quickly if we can find it, and then otherwise just finish the day before 11. After 11 it will be like jumpy price action. Looks like it. Every non-farm payroll the day before. I don't do anything, man. This things is annoying me. We got 2 minutes left. And these things are messing around. Let's see. We have to concentrate now. Let us concentrate. Let us open our platform. we are trading maybe top step. Apex and Lucid, I'm just waiting because of my guest go. Then I've got my guest still now. Until today. Tomorrow I'm gonna be busy. Tomorrow I'm going back to work again. So from next week I'll try to do in other one as well, like Apex and Lucid. And today if I trade, I'll trade from my top step. So let's see how they react from. It's got only 30 seconds left. I'm just observing the chart as well. Let me see how they react. If they straightforward fall or they're gonna go, because they created two gaps here. Can you see one gap, two gap? But this kind of things doesn't matter at 9:30. 9:30 they can do everything they want to do. And how they created this area could be a jump up to there, or 8:30 test as well, or can straight away fall to some levels. 9:30 open, came up, taken out this high. Let's see how they do it. They'll do manipulation up first, maybe, if they have to go down. So they traded the 15 minutes gap here already. This one. So now, sorry for that. This one, let me see how they react. How far they can come until this area, let's say. And even they can come to test 8:30 as well. So I'm just watching. But this area, if they they do order block, we'll try to do something else as well. Let's see. Checking for them, what they're doing. Looks like they're going down. But we cannot just, they're gonna run. I don't even know what is that side. Okay, perfect. So they came down to trade where this area, because this 15 minutes, this 50% of this is very important as well. So let's see how they trade. First few candle is very, very risky. 15, 3, 16. I used to trade this kind of trade. I would have already entered there, but I don't know. Nowadays, I'm so scared ever since they did manipulation, because this one was my entry even. I would have entered it. 50% of the daily that thing is already traded. Okay, so now the question is that what is the next candle do? Because there is no swing high, swing low here to target. I don't know. Maybe from 1 minute I have it, but 15 minutes I don't have it. So that's why it will run like crazy. Okay, no entry, got it. I could have just sell it, So initial idea was to sell, and it worked out. So that's it. So if I just, let's say, took the trade from here, this could be my stop loss. So they came two gaps, they created 15 minutes gap. This gap they traded, and then they are now going down. It's good. Price action was good. So now the 4 hours, that gap they came. Now what they're gonna do? They're gonna close down like that. That's the question. If they close down like that, so 4 hours gonna be like this. Then we're gonna trade the retracing back area. Okay, so that's the only things we'll trade. If they give me any opportunity. So that one didn't respect. Okay, so now my next watching point is 4 hour, this area, this one. So then I'm gonna check it. If they respect this one, this inversion one, sorry for that. Let's see how they behave. They have to behave good, but the trade has to be quick, fast in the beginning of the session. Did I do a mistake or something? Have I done a mistake? Have I done a mistake? Not really. Yeah. So let's see how they react. This is not finished yet. I want them to tiny bit go down. If they go from here, I don't know. So let's go to the 15 minutes back again, because 15 minutes is our main chart. Is not ready to I don't believe from here it will go bullish. I mean, they can do anything, but I have to think my analysis, Okay, let them return back. So this is the first presented gap. This is, for me, first presented gap. Now the question is, will they invert? Or they're gonna come here? Or they're gonna come this midpoint? Don't go from here, man. If they come here, I'll try a short, maybe, to see if I can get a continuation. But as soon as they come here, but they will invert as well, okay? So I'll try to check a short from this area, maybe, if they show a sign. This is the entry, let's say, and the stop loss is on the top of this one, let's say. Might get a stop out, but 34 points I'll lose. Still now didn't get a stop out. Oh, that high is fine. If they invert, I'll take the real trade later on. Yeah, these stops are out. Okay, so that's it. So they this one they did it, inverted, and this one is just a chance. I took it. It is not a trade. Today lots of things will happen, but this is I'm not gonna believe that this run finish. Like, upside move is not trustworthy that much to me. But I cannot just buy it as well and sell it as well from this kind of area. See, they retracing back. But I have to just watch. I have to do nothing. So this low is the, okay, look at this area. So this one as well, I didn't notice. Look, this is one of the low. Let me see if they touched it. Didn't touch it. Okay, so this high and this one, okay, they actually respected that area. So this bounce can easily be a bullish sign from here as well. Okay, it's fine. Let's let them test this one. So they already closed down on the top of 930. So this could be our entry as well. It's too much, man, from there. I'll trade after 15 minutes if they do confirmation. Lots of things on the upside, okay? So, but from here, they bouncing completely and completely going to take all these highs. And all these highs, I don't believe it. I don't think this is the low of it. I'll try to find a sell later on. That is the only things I can do. Now they can go up. Is there any news came out or something? I don't know. Let them search. It's all right. 830 price. They came back again. Let's see how they react from this kind of area. So 830 price. They went down. They came back now. Let's see from here how they react. Will they create a order block? My goodness, the run. 200 points up. Do you understand? So this kind of things happening. They went up there to do what? On the top of the 830. Big move. Big move. Big. Proper big move. Yeah, they got more bullishness. So this kind of area, do I believe that they can just run, and they already traded this gap? If they have to go up, they will cross on the top of 830 harshly. or if they want to go down as well, they'll from there is the chance of going down as well. But they have to be quick, fast, big move. Okay, so now they got supported. So this one can be from there as well. Let's say I'm checking ES as well. So ES traded now. The bounce ES is now bouncing from 930. So let's see how if they create continuation or not. See 830 price. Then now they given. From here now the question is that they came back here. Are they gonna close on the top of this and then create continuation to today's opening price, or they're gonna further fall? No weak candle, watching it. This is the area they actually started the run. Are they coming back to test 930? They are. I think they're doing something because ES just crashed. So if ES crash under 930 and creating a gap, this is a sell to me. But from where? This gap, this area, come up. This should be the entry. If I want to enter risky entry, no. But better would be that if they went high and take it. How much? 30 points. My goodness, I cannot take that much. I'll put only on the top of that one. I think this is a stop out as well. Sorry. Yeah, this one is a stop out. So ES trapped us. So this one will be better, if there is a continuation created later on. Let's see if we get stop out. These are just for fun, I'm not trading with the... this is just to check if they work or not. I don't think this is working. So they now close down. It's going to stop us out right now. Now is stopped out. Yeah, perfect. Stopped out. Okay. So this one didn't work. Okay. So that means they have more like... Yeah, now it became... ES is now closing on the top of 930. Observing. But now if ES doesn't go up anymore and then they create a continuation, this could be a SMT as well with ES. If they now close under here, I'm gonna sell it to go down here. If they give me a chance to sell just there. So this will be my order block. If they can close, okay, potential order block. Let's see this high they take and then after that how they behave, because there is a high there. Look, this high. This one technically is a very good area. But if they can close up as well, they're coming from a significant area as well. So, but am I bullish right now? I expect them to little bit go down and then maybe later on. So I'm very much watching this high. Even this, practically this line, maybe 69, this area. And is there anything else there? This one was traded, this one traded, this one didn't take out, this high maybe. And they can stop this area maybe. And this is the high, maybe 63. If they can do it. Go high, go high. Yeah, crack, otherwise crash down. That's the only things you have. But why didn't you take this high, man? Just take the high. Otherwise, how can we trust you? Oh, I have to mark my first presented gap. This is my first presented gap. Sorry for that. Yeah, so this one. Let them take out the high. If I take an entry from here, how it will be? How much loss? No, there is no entry. Sorry for that. It's like it's became bullish now. There is no entry. They have to just take out the high. ES just created continuation on the top of that. Okay, perfect. Yeah, let them do what they like to do. I'm just observing. Any of that need to, this is not a trade, okay? I'm just checking. It's not, we are just checking. There is no point of keeping it. Anyways, I'm not live. After taking this high, then we'll think about it. So they taken this high, and then can they take the other high as well or not? My goodness, what it became. Look at this. So now they've taken out this 15 minutes high, and they traded already the order block of the 15 minutes. So now the question is that what kind of reaction they're going to create from this area. Can they give us anything from here? Can they create a continuation? Should have sold it from this area, man. Turtle soup entry. But this one became like a double top. This one could have taken out that high. Do they need to take out this high? Let's see. Let them give a sign. I don't want to. Yeah, now they've taken out this high. This is the time maybe. 75. Let's see the next candle, how they react. I want them to really do a reaction from this kind of area. Don't go way to the top. You already taken out this high. You don't need to go anymore. Come down. Come down inside, man. Crash down. If you can. And then it will be good. If you can crash down. No, they're not doing it. How many times you did it from here and now you're not doing it? Come on, go down. Go down a little bit more. Quickly go down, please. Quick. Nah, they don't have power. They should have crashed down from here if they have to go down. Okay, so they're not doing it, so they might. No, they're not doing it. They're not doing it. Not good. If they gone down from here, that will be like a very nice trade. They're not doing it. They should have, like, this candle should have gone like a crazy. Now they got support from here, so nothing to do. So this high they taken, now they're not respecting it. That means they want to dig higher. So that's it. There is no belief on shorting anymore. I'm not believing, because this area was one of the important area it could hold. They didn't hold. They closed already on the top of 830 as well. So this is nothing left anymore. Because my initial idea was to go down. They actually, where they come? Oh, this area was the 15 minutes, that area, isn't it? Yeah. So, yeah. So they did their job anyways. So I don't think I will have trade today. I little bit scalped it, but it's not good scalping. It's just like, from the area I just shorted little. When they came here, this one I did it little short. I came out. Just this candle I came out. And this candle as well. This the area I did it where somewhere when they taken out, Turtle Soup sold it, and they're not doing it, so I just came out. Okay, because didn't have power. So yeah, so they got supported with this candle, propulsion one, order block, propulsion block, came to get support from there and then propelled. Now they're taken out this high, all this, look, lots of failure swing. Okay, so like tons of failure swing, but from 1 hour there is nothing. 1 hour order block will be confirmed as soon as they close on the top of that, because this is the last gap they came to trade on the top of that one. Remember, I was talking about just one, maybe how many points, 2 3 ticks, points, 3 points, three and a yeah, 3.5 point, like let's say, was away. Yeah, this area was a area actually should have understood. But anyways, I'm not expecting them to like completely go to the moon today. Okay, so this one was the area. Let me check the 15 minutes back again. 15 minutes was all these things. Okay, perfect. This is the 15 minutes important area. So now they close this one with this one, would became, what is it called, like a order block, came down, going up, taken out this high. This side doesn't need to be taken because this one already taken out by this one. So from this area there could be a option of a retracement if they don't go up. They already taken out the high, so there is nothing left. This high I was talking about. So technically this high was taken out. Yeah, now they taken out this high as well. So only thing left is today's new day opening gap. So from here, so what else from this area? Shall I short it? Turtle soup short. Let's say if I short it from here, what would be my stop loss? 13 points. What can I get? This last area. $13. Yeah, you can get quite a lot, because this one, if they want to give us like a retracement, I don't think so. Look, there is no power, so that means nothing there. So now this one, if it is retracement, they have to be big. They have to be big. Or stop us out. So yeah, no, today is like, there is no point of unnecessary trading. So they became bullish right now, so it's fine, nothing to do. Let's see how they react after silver bullet. They traded this area. No, I was expecting them to tiny bit more to do, because they traded this halfway of the, that gap. I mean, see, if I didn't get a stop out here, anyways, this is not a trade. Those are like picking the top kind of trade. This one can be a trade, let's say. Now maybe with the confirmation, but the problem is that, let's say this kind of trade is like for a quick short, but the problem is 30 points up to target, like it's quite big. How far they can come? They can actually come quite a lot. Even this area, you target under the 830 somewhere, but I don't think they're doing. But actual entry could be this going upward, but sometimes they don't give us chance like that. Yeah, but this low is gonna take it. They're taken out now, but then the question is, there is a continuation or not? Okay, now I think they can get support because they already taken out this low and they didn't close it. So what they can create from here, there is a suspension block here as well, but we don't know if they're gonna get supported or gonna get inverted. So this one, I don't need to be, I can do it a little bit less, maybe 25 points to target these lows. They might not come even, but if they come here, they will come here. Looks like it. It's 54. Observing this one as well, from there as well, they can do this one. You don't want to lose nothing here. 3 points only. This high, even though you don't need it. I think I'm gonna go break even. Now I'm observing this one, okay? If I'm observing this one, if they can go through it, if they don't, then that means we gotta get stop out. Because they closed under this one. If they go up, means they're going up. Better to not to lose the money, isn't it? So it's done, it's stopped out. Okay. So better to get stop out with, but better, let me see if these things, so this stop us out and they're gonna fall now. Yeah, so they're taken out one more times to this suspension block and then they crossing it. That means bullish. So this one gone as well. Today our hypothetical tape trading is like, I mean, should not say a bad word. Crap. Okay, now they actually they respected it. See? This, what is it called? Suspension block got respected, you're saying? Okay, let's say if you close down under this one, we'll take a continuation trade, okay? Let's see how they work. Close down, close down, close down. Oh, what am I doing? So now they're taken out this high, this high, this high taken out, that high. Okay, perfect. So this high gone, this high left. They actually closed down. Can I shell it from here? What's gonna happen? They close down. Let's say if you sold this one up and your stop loss is on the top of that, 34 points. Can they respect or they're gonna go through? Today is like proper, I'm telling you. Like this one closed, no continuation because there was no gap. I only expected, because I treated this one as a gap. If I treat this one as a gap, what's gonna happen? How far they can go? We have to target big because we have to recover everything, isn't it? 34 points, my goodness. If they close down back again, I'll put my stop loss somewhere. But this one looks like if they close down here, the next candle can stop us out. The suspension block is not working. Come on, close down. After silver bullet, what can happen? They can, this one, because this one was like lots of people sold it from here. If they have to go down, they should have closed down there with this candle. and now, but they are not doing it, so that means they gonna stop us out. Whatever they do is not a trade. I didn't trade it. Okay, I can show you that. No trade. Only trade I took is the those two I told you, like, one I shorted from there and then I came out, and one I shorted from there and I came out. So one was 77, 57, 20 points scalp, and here 42 and 420, 20 points. So this 20, 20, 40 points of scalping. That's it, done. Nothing else I did today. So 40 points scalped it from there to there, there to there. I mean, it was just like a, anticipation 20-20, like 1-1. When I scalp with 1-1. My 20 points, my stop loss. And 20 points I get it. And when I get it, I just keep it. Did a mistake. Sorry for that. Not trading. My chart got bonker. Let me set it up back again. Why, man? This one is gonna get maybe stop out 10 a.m. Go take us, stop us out, and then go fall down. Stopped us. So this trade as well, I didn't take it. But now what's gonna happen? Now if they give us, will I take it? What are they doing, man? Seriously. Settings, if I didn't save this setting, man. Let me take out all these things, confirm. Okay, perfect, no problem. So 10 o'clock, now the 15 minutes, what I'm expecting. Are they coming down to trade this gap, this area? Let's see how they react. Or they're going to close down under this one and then they're going to give us a trade. Looks like they might do it. But they can have to be careful here, okay? So this kind of area, I should not trade anymore. But that is the problem. Because this one, look, confirm order block, all these things, Can they come down? Yes, they can. All these, failure swing, they just taken out one by one. So now this one left, this one left, this one left. But as I'm expecting it to go down, so I will try to look for sell. That's it, from this kind of area. Because I don't believe that they gonna. But when it will be confirmed when they close down here under this one. But I don't look, see. So just if I waited for this movement, now maybe I could have taken a trade from this area to have a retracement. Until what? Until this little gap. But this gap is so near, so there is no point of trading here. Trading, finish. Yeah, let the non-farm payroll go. I'm happy with my 40 points today. So, if I don't get any chance, I'm not gonna take it. But if I get a chance, I'll definitely take it again. But these things doesn't look that good to me. Because I was expecting it to be more little bit more down, Didn't expect a bounce like that. It could do that, why not? But if I see hindsight right now, let's say, could I buy it? Yes, I should do that. So what they did, they reach here, they were inside this 15 minutes gap, look. And there was lots of other things was there. There was a 1 hour gap as well. Sorry for that. This one, yeah. If we check it from there, so this is the 1 hour gap. There was a 1 hour middle order block, which is like when they go up, there is a down move and then they go up. So this one is area to stop, because this one will be a lower time frame consolidation. Look, see this area. So now if I closely look at it, in the 1 minute, actually this area. Okay, so like they came down, they gone high, so this area is very, very strong on the top of that one, you see. So yeah, we can always refine them all the time. So what was the reason from here they gone? This is the 1 minute order block. So look, they came down from here, stop, closed. So this is the 1 minute order block. So now if I see, and then another line, let me put it because the opening price as well. So both of them are important. Let's change the color, let's say. Let's see if they are any value to it. For sure, this will be inside these two. Okay, these two, what the hell I did? This area, okay. So this area, if I go there, look at the point today, it reversed. The opening price of that 1 minute, see? So yeah, this is the area, you know, it was very important. So I have to next time, because I was too much fixed myself into daily one. So daily I thought, you know, they'll do a little bit retracement up to there, but for a short-term trader I don't need to, because they might not go high, but at least this bounce I could have get it. And they gave me all the sign from this area. What they did, they inverted this one, they inverted the first presented gap. So lots of people will take this one as a first presented gap. I mean, whatever it is, they inverted it one go. The next candle coming down, just bang bang buy them. That is the rules. To get what? To get this high from 15 minutes, all these failure swing, 1, 2, 3. So I mean, you hear me, it looks nice. So this is the hindsight way we could say that, oh, I could have done it. So from here, how could I, like, you know, keep my trade until this area? Let's say they closed it, they created all this is the order block, okay. Then they created how many gaps? 1, 2. So after inversion, 1, 2, 3. So what else I can see? So this gap is the last gap, you know, when they close down there. This one. So let's take this one. This one. So they traded the midpoint, came down a little bit more. This is the Mohawk. Came to trade this area. It's fine. So do you understand? Like, so then they close down back again. So that means this one became order block. So then when they come down to this area on the top of this gap, this could be the entry. Another entry. This is one entry, another entry. This is the first entry, second add to third add. To find what? All this failure swing. Look, this high, this high. All of that we could have get it, you know. But did I get it? No, because I was thinking of, like, you know, going down a little bit more. But this one is a good area to, you know, when I saw. But these things happen at 9:33. Couldn't trust it. Normally these kind of things I trust it if it is, let's say, around 45, 9:45, or after 10 o'clock. Yeah. So now they reached to today's opening price. What I'm gonna do? From there, maybe I can look for a short to up to this gap. Now, because they left it, look, this one, they didn't take it. So this equal low I can target if I get any opportunity. But I want them to extend tiny bit more. Hopefully they give us a retracement, man. Let's see. But if there is no trade, there is no point of forcing. So now they reach to today's opening price. ES struggling, NQ already taken out, and they're creating something. Let's see if they can close down something somewhere. Sorry for that. This is But it's nice to taper it, so relaxing. I don't know. I know you guys get bored because I have to watch 1 hour of bullshit. But what can we do? This is trading. We have to wait. I mean, I'm very restless as well. But waiting is the main game. Without waiting, we cannot do nothing. We have to learn how to wait. You can see me how impulsive I am. I like to take trade here, there, everywhere. That's why I lose lots of accounts as well. But did I not learn a lot of things? I learned quite a lot of things. I mean, hopefully one day I can apply all of them. But the main thing is that I enjoy these prices. So now they reach to today's midnight opening price. Reaction can be possible from this kind of area as well. Because ES still struggling around the midnight opening price. The question is that will ES go up? Let me see what ES. I didn't even check ES today. Yeah, ES look like gonna go up. Because they got lots of equal highs. And they got, I think ES will cross. Yeah, they got more leg to go. Both of them. Yeah. So if they come here, this area, let's say in 15 minutes, let's say if they come this area, I'm thinking. So where they will be. 15 minutes. So in daily situation, they will be coming up there. So the daily open up this area. So they created a gap here. Now they're filling it up. I don't think they're going up. I would rather see them fall from somewhere. I cannot think today I cannot think that today they will take out all these things, because if I follow, let's say, what is called T traders, like this is the candle closure, second candle closure, they taken some liquidity. He can say that, oh, they didn't take any significant liquidity, but kind of, the daily high they taken. This is a swing high as well, so this swing high they taken. This is a swing high as well they taken. This is not a swing high. So two of the swing high they taken and closed down. So this is the second candle closure. So third candle was supposed to be extension candle, but if it was a bearish case actually, but it's not a bearish case. So have to be positive. Anyways, no trades then. So it's already 12 past 10. I will wait until 10:30, and then after that I don't think I'm gonna do anything. After that I'm gonna just go away as a loser. No, but I didn't lose in my account, but all the trade I was practicing, it was not good. But I didn't take it seriously, truly speaking. Those are just hypothetical, just show off trade. But if I was live trading, I would not do that. I would have not put that, because it's not a good trade. These are just you checking, if I do that, what would happen? But I'm not live trading, so I mean, if I have a live trade, I'm not gonna show this kind of trade. If I feel like there is a trade, I didn't take it even. I would say that this is not a plus setup. It's like maybe A setup or like a B setup, something like that. But I have to include lots of like this kind of trading, I have to include, because these are very, very good trade. But I don't know how to trade. I still I know how to do that, but the problem is that my problem is that I don't believe this kind of move. I'm always contrary. So contrary problem is that you always look for opposite way where they're running. I mean, this one I was contrary, I was good, but the timing I didn't like it. But sometimes if they reach the area early, they don't follow time. They do it before time. But this one they inverted. This area was very, very good to take out some kind of a high. Pre-market high. These are all pre-market highs. It's up to there. So now what they did, they've taken out London high as well. And they've taken out Asian high. So now they even closed down on the top of what is it called, midnight price. They created a gap. Everything they did. This one as well, if they go up and come down and invert this little gap, and then they create another gap down there, there could be another chance as well. At this minute, just to observe, nothing else. Because there could be a chance of like trading inside the range back again. I think so. Okay, let me see 1 hour what they did. See, if we actually followed 1 hour as well, there was a trade. Look, so this is how many things you can notice. Look, this one. So 1 hour closed, then this is the Judah swing. Do you understand? So this is another things as well. So this is a Judah swing to trade some kind of a high, let's say even this high or midnight price, So yeah, so this one closed down at 10 o'clock. So this 10 o'clock Judah swing, what they can do highest, they can come and rebalance, or they will create a gap if they want to go up until the other gap. Look, it already came. So where else they can go? They can go high. I mean, it's good price because this one coming from where? Their order block, 1 hour order block. They closed down on that. They created a another order block. This one is not an order block, like a kind of like consolidation there. It's a kind of a order block to me. But as if I say continuous order block, this is the order block. It's confirmed already. They closed down at 10 o'clock, isn't it? They closed down here. This one, look. Closed down, and this is the swing they did it, but then they went up. But this one is, they didn't take out anything down. If they came down, this move would be a very much trustworthy move. But this is a trade as well. Because there is no other gaps here. From this leg to this leg, so this is the last gap. So they traded actually the last gap on the top of this, but from there as well there is an entry can be possible. Entry is always possible, just have to enter. But then would I enter from here? Now I should have entered it from when they did a continuation close and next candle. This is the entry, but to target what? To the other side. But these are, I will not say A plus setup, is like B setup, where could be your stop loss under this one after the closing. So risk to reward will be 1 to 2 easily can achievable. I mean, but this was the best trade from here to target to the new day opening gap or any kind of swing high. ES struggling. What happening to ES? This ES became like a barcode. The barcode company. When they move, they move. When they don't move, they just ugly. ES 1 hour. They didn't make a order block. They just taken out the liquidity. Anyways, we got quite a long time left. So they taken out the liquidity now. So let's say NQ, if they want to be bullish, this candle has to be bullish. Oh, I forgot about 4 hours. See, so 4 hour, what they did, they couldn't close down under that. See, so that was a sign as well. I forgot. See, I was putting 4 hours important area. 4 hour first one was there. I removed that and I put it there. But actually, they traded 4 hours. Is there a volume balance there? Yeah, there was a volume balance. So yeah, see, so this is the thing. So I was targeting this one. So if I knew that there is a volume, no, this is not significant actually. I don't know. They actually followed that one. Did they? Let me see. What is the price they actually? Yeah, so that top one. Yeah. So this is the area they came to trade. Okay, on the top of that. Okay, perfect. All right. It's okay, because my expectation was for it to go more down. So, but they already bounced back. But this was a sign as well that this candle was there, and then they within what is it called? Few minutes they came back to inside the range. So that is another things maybe I learned today, that if 4 hours is like too low, and then let's say it will create a order block to go down. If they don't want to go down, they can basically start the opposite run around 9:30. Okay, so yeah, my dad is calling. I have to receive this call. I don't think I can be here anymore. I would say you guys enjoy your time. I have to talk to my dad because I think I've got 40 points. I'm happy with that. And I'll talk to you tomorrow, and you guys enjoy your time. Okay. And then tomorrow is non-farm payroll. We'll see if I can record myself, and then I'll do it. Otherwise, I will talk to you again next week. Have a nice time. Bye bye. Take care.